Did you know that New York State is one of only 2 states in the U.S. that offers free long-term care at home for its elderly residents, meaning you never have to go into a nursing home? And unfortunately, each year, thousands of residents are forced to go into nursing homes because they just don't know what their options are or that free home care is available. In some cases, many of these residents don't have family available or they're unable to properly care for themselves at home. And other times they don't have the money to pay for aides to care for them at home, and they end up in the nursing home, the last place anyone wanted to be. But it doesn't have to be that way. I'm Pat Micek, and I help people protect their assets so they can pass their estate to their family and not to the nursing home. You see, what most people don't know is when someone goes into a nursing home, all of their liquid assets can be depleted to pay for their care there. And when all their liquid assets are gone, Medicaid will pick up the cost of care in the nursing home, but Medicaid will put a lien on their home and use that to pay the bill when the person passes, leaving nothing left in their estate for their family. So you can see an individual's hard-earned assets they worked a lifetime to build are then lost to the cost of their own long-term care. And that's what I want to help you avoid. Well, in New York State, all of that can be avoided. When my mom was in her mid-80s, she was diagnosed with dementia and she had a lot of other physical problems. And my siblings and I had a big decision to make. We could either put her in a nursing home or one of us was going to have to care for her at home. Growing up, we had my grandma in a nursing home and we knew what that was like. And we made the decision to care for our mom ourselves. But it wasn't easy. As her conditions deteriorated over the years, it became very draining on my brother, who was her main caregiver. And after 2 years of the stress of caring for her, he passed away from a massive heart attack. After that, the rest of us had a decision to make, but none of us was positioned to be able to care for her ourselves. And that's when we discovered the benefits available for home care aides. In the state of New York, you can qualify for free long-term care with experienced home health care aides to take care of you or your loved one in your own home. In my case, when I was dealing with my mother's situation, I researched all the available options, from adult daycare to assisted living to you name it. But the best option for us was what I discovered in community Medicaid. As our elderly population grows, it's only a matter of time until you or someone close to you is in the same position that my family and I were in. Number 1, they can be in the position of having to move into a nursing home. Number 2, you and your family will be in the position of having to care for them yourselves. Or number 3, they can get free long-term care in the home they love. The reason we wanted my mom at home is because we knew that statistically people live a lot longer when they're cared for at home than when they're in a nursing home. Planning people's estates and protecting their assets is more than a job to me. It's my mission. And that's why today we help people protect their assets ahead of time before it's too late. Look, nobody wants to talk about or think about dying or incapacity or moving into a nursing home, but it's a reality of life. And like anything else in life, you're better protected when you're prepared. If you or someone you know or love is approaching their elder years and they want to know what all their options are, schedule a free consultation and let me help.